Hi, welcome to another tutorial video by Think Driving School. This one's on double roundabouts. Sometimes your position could be different on the approach and throughout the roundabouts if there's a second one involved. On this first example, I'm going to pause it so we can see the sign. This is the first clue that there's going to be two roundabouts together, close together. If they're both on the sign, they're probably really close. We're going to go ahead at the first one and we're going to go right at the second one. So what we'll do, when we get to the line, we'll pause the video and I'll show you what we're going to do with our position on this first one. Now normally we'd be staying left to go ahead at the roundabout and then coming off in the left lane. But because we need the right lane for the second roundabout ready to go right third exit at it, we're going to approach this roundabout in the right lane, go round it in the right lane and come off it in the right lane ready for that second roundabout. As normal, onto the roundabout, centre mirror, left signal to come off. As soon as we're off, centre mirror, right signal for this roundabout. We'll now do what we normally do for right third exit on a roundabout into the right lane. Pass exit number 1, getting close to exit 2, so centre mirror, left signal as we pass exit 2, and then moving across, coming off into the left lane as normal. On this example, we're going right third exit on the first one and ahead second exit on the second one. So we're not doing anything different with our position to normal, but we've got to think about our speed because they're really close together. We don't want to come off this first one too quickly. So centre mirror, nice and early, left signal to come off the roundabout, coming off in the left lane. Cancelling that signal nice and early so we don't mislead at the second roundabout. Easing off that gas an awful lot so we've got time to get our position correct. As you can see, it's quite a small roundabout, but it's definitely two lanes. So keeping to the left's really important. So on this example, we're going to go right third exit on both of the roundabouts. So centre mirror, right signal on the approach as we normally would. The difference here is we're going to be coming off into the right lane rather than the left lane. And if you remember from the last example, we don't want to be going too fast, so we've got time to get the second roundabout right. So centre mirror, left signal, but coming off in this right lane. And then centre mirror, right signal for this second roundabout, keeping it nice and slow so we've got time to assess where we're going, keeping our position over to the right. Now centre mirror, left signal to come off, and off into the left side of this wide lane. On this final example, we can see the sign that tells us there's a double roundabout ahead. As you can see from the sign, they're very, very close together on this one. Most of the time that you see a double roundabout, it is involved with a dual carriageway or a motorway, as you can see from this sign. Going right on the second roundabout goes onto a dual carriageway. There's normally a roundabout either side of the dual carriageway or motorway where people are getting on and off with the slip roads. So on this one, we're going to go ahead on the first roundabout and then right second exit on the second one onto that dual carriageway. As we approach then, centre mirror, right mirror, so we can stay right on the approach because we're going to use the right lane on the approach during and after this roundabout, ready for that second roundabout. So going on to the roundabout, centre mirror, left signal to come off. Coming off in this right lane straight away, centre mirror, right signal. Now if we pause the video, when crossing the dual carriageway or motorway just before getting on it, it's worth looking left and right to see what's going on. If it's not flowing and it's at a standstill, it might be worth taking a different route. This could save you a lot of time. As we go on to the roundabout, centre mirror, nice and early. Left signal as we pass that first exit and off the roundabout. New road, new mirrors. Thanks for watching our video on double roundabouts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions at all, ask below and we'll reply as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Bye.